Easy people, just had something very special delivered in the post. Yes! My own buddy Hi. Oh, I can't wait to get into this. So, whip the camera out for let's open it together. Oh wow. Yes. That terpene. Oh. Is that a little terpene disc. They're stinky. Let's get into this. Awesome packaging though, from the ginormous miler it comes in to its plastic bag. Branding on point. Yes. I got 3 more videos and then this will be featured in every one. You'll be coming to Holland with me. We're going on some adventures, me and this pal. Anywhere the weed vlogs are going, he's going too. But yeah, shout out to Buddy Hi. I'll tag it in the description where to get one.